Bologna is a historic city in northern Italy, renowned for its rich cultural heritage, architectural beauty, and gastronomic delights. Here are some key highlights and interesting facts about Bologna. Historical significance. University of Bologna, founded in 1088, it is the oldest university in continuous operation in the world. It has been a center of learning for centuries and has attracted scholars from all over Europe. Medieval towers. Bologna is known for its medieval towers, the most famous being the two towers, Asinelli and Garazenda. The city once had up to 180 towers, built by wealthy families as symbols of their power. Piazza Maggiore. This central square is surrounded by important buildings such as the Basilica di San Petronio, Palazzo dei Notte, and Palazzo di Curcio. It is the heart of Bologna's social and political life. Architectural highlights. Porticos. Bologna is famous for its extensive network of porticos, covered walkways, which stretch for over 38 kilometers. These porticos provide shelter from the weather and add to the city's unique charm. Basilica di San Petronio, one of the largest churches in the world, it features stunning Gothic architecture and impressive frescoes. Despite being unfinished, it remains a masterpiece of religious architecture. Santo Stefano, also known as the Seven Churches, this complex of religious buildings offers a fascinating glimpse into Bologna's early Christian history. Gastronomy. Bolognese cuisine. Bologna is often called the gastronomic capital of Italy. It is the birthplace of many famous dishes, including tagliatelle al ragù, known internationally as Bolognese sauce, tortellini, and mortadella. Food markets. The Quadrilatero area, near Piazza Maggiore, is known for its vibrant food markets, where you can find fresh produce, meats, cheeses, and other local delicacies. Cultural life. Museums and galleries. Bologna boasts a variety of museums, such as the Archaeological Museum, the National Picture Gallery, and the Museum of Modern Art of Bologna, MAMBO. Festivals and events. The city hosts numerous cultural events throughout the year, including the Bologna Film Festival, the Motor Show, and various music and theater festivals. Modern Bologna. Education and innovation. Besides its ancient university, Bologna is a hub for innovation and research, with a strong emphasis on technology and engineering. Transport: the city is well connected by train and road, making it an important transport hub in Italy. Its airport, Guglielmo Marconi, connects Bologna with major cities in Europe and beyond. Bologna's blend of historical richness, architectural beauty, and culinary excellence makes it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an authentic Italian experience. Please stay with us as we continue our pilgrimage to the holy shrines of Italy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.